Do you want your dogs to have a healthy alternative to store-bought treats?
Or just want them to live a healthy life?
Hi, my name's Alyssa and this is Alexis.
Today we are going to teach you how to make some treats for your furry friends that are just as healthy as they are festive.
To make these festive goodies, you're going to need 1 cup of pumpkin, a half cup of peanut butter, 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of oil, 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Before you start, grab a large bowl like this one, a mixer, a rolling pin, and your measuring cups. The most important thing to grab would be some cookie cutters that give off some Christmas spirit like these ones. Now to get started, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we'll be mixing together all of the ingredients in this bowl. Start with the pumpkin and add in the peanut butter and eggs and oil as you go along. Next we're going to add a half cup of peanut butter. Then I'm going to crack in our 2 eggs. We're going to need a 1/4 cup of oil. Then we're going to mix this together. Next, add in the baking powder and whole wheat flour. And then we're just going to mix it all together. Take out your dough and place it on a clean surface covered in flour you used from before. Grab your rolling pin, and you want to make sure you also cover that flour. And then roll out the dough. Next comes the fun part. Take your festive cookie cutters and cut out as many shapes as you'd like. Take away the excess dough and place your cutouts on a baking sheet. Once you have finished, we will be baking these treats for 15 minutes. Once the oven beeps, you're going to take them out. Make sure you let them cool long enough before you give them to your furry friends. You don't want them to burn their little tongues. Now we're going to let our customers have a try.
You heard it here! These treats are an amazing surprise for your furry friends.
Thanks for watching our video on how to make festive dog treats.